Welcome to USMLEFasttrack.com. The section we're going to talk about today is from First Aid for the USMLE Step 1, 2013 edition.
Page 259. Heart murmurs, aortic stenosis. Describe the murmur caused by aortic stenosis. Aortic stenosis causes a crescendo-decrescendo systolic ejection murmur that happens after an ejection click, and the ejection click is something that happens due to abrupt halting of the valve leaflets. What does crescendo-decrescendo mean? Crescendo means loud sound or something that's increasing in intensity. Decrescendo means decreasing intensity or softer sound. So basically it's loud to soft sound, and this happens in the fashion where it's first increasing followed by a decrease in the intensity. So that's why this murmur is referred to as crescendo-decrescendo systolic ejection murmur. One thing to note about aortic stenosis is that the left ventricle is going to have a much higher pressure than the aorta is going to. The reason for this is that the left ventricle must work much harder in order to get the volume out against a stenosed aortic valve. What is pulsus, parvus, et tardus that happens in aortic stenosis? Pulsus, parvus, et tardus means that pulses are weak with a delayed peak. This happens in aortic stenosis. The reason for this is that the ventricles of the heart are working hard. There is much higher pressure there, so the heart beats are much loud, but then when you feel the pulses, they're weak because there's not that much blood that's going to the aorta. Therefore, the pulses are much weaker than the sound of the heart itself. What are some of the symptoms that can arise from aortic stenosis? Aortic stenosis can lead to syncope, which is fainting, angina, and dyspnea on exertion. What is the mnemonic to help you remember the symptoms caused by aortic stenosis? The mnemonics is SAD, S-A-D, which stands for syncope, A for angina, and D for dyspnea on exertion. What are some of the conditions that can lead to aortic stenosis? Aortic stenosis can happen due to age-related calcification of the aortic valve, or bicuspid aortic valve can lead to aortic stenosis.
For more information on this topic, click on the link in the description section below. For a full USMLE Step 1 review, be sure to check us out at USMLEFasttrack.com, where we help you review the entire first aid for the USMLE Step 1 with high-quality videos and hundreds of detailed pictures for a better understanding of the material. So to learn from the best USMLE review book, be sure to check us out at USMLEFasttrack.com.